What if I tell you that I edited this particular picture you're seeing on your screen from this to this? I also edited this picture you're seeing on your screen from this to this. Now guys, come closer. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, trust me, you might not need the services of an editor anymore. You might not need their services, because in this video I'll be introducing you to the app that I used in creating all of this. We know how the economy is. If I want to pay a professional editor to edit all those pictures I just showed you few seconds ago, trust me, they will charge me a reasonable amount of money. But this is just me. I did all of this with just my smartphone and in the comfort of my home. So all I want you to do for me at this point is for you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip, because if you skip, you might skip the most important aspect of this video. So drop a comment in case you do not understand some part of this video. Share this video so that other persons can get to watch it as well. So because I do not want this video to be long, kindly come with me to my screen recorder. Let me show you how I was able to do this in less than 2 minutes. Come with me guys, let me show you all of this for free. The AI tool we are going to use is actually free as well. This is what I will do at this point. I am heading over to my Google. So here on Google, I will simply type Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio. So now that I have typed Google AI Studio, it has brought me to this interface. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on this first one here. So now that I have clicked on the first one, it will take me to another interface. So sometimes it might take 2 minutes, few seconds to load. You just have to wait. So this is the interface that we have at this moment. So at this point, if you look below here, you will see start typing a prompt. But before I go ahead to type a prompt, this is what I would love to do. So if you check here, you will see a little plus sign. This is the plus sign I am talking about. At this point, I've clicked on the plus sign. Now that I've clicked on the plus sign, it is telling me to allow to drive. That is not the option I want. So because I don't want to waste your time, the option I want is this upload image. Upload image. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on upload image. So I'll go ahead and choose this particular picture. Then I'll click on done. So now that I've chosen the picture and I've clicked on done, it is telling me to start typing a prompt. Like, this is very important. This is important. If you don't type a prompt, it will not work. Now, one thing you need to know about this AI is this: it gives you what is called tokens. So these tokens is what you use in generating pictures. So at this point, I'll go ahead. I have my prompt already. I'll go to my note to copy my prompt because I don't want this video to be long. So at this point, this is my prompt. I'll just go ahead and copy it. So I've copied my prompt. I am going back to Google at this moment. So I'll paste my prompt here. I've pasted my prompt, so let me read it out in case you want to write it. So here I said, hi my friend, I want you to change my outfit from this to a very beautiful corporate pink gown that is moderate. It shouldn't be short or too long, just at the knee level. I should be seen standing like this with the car, but make the background, which is the compound, luxurious with other luxury cars packed in it. Make it highly beautiful and professional. Now, you see that professional? Underline it. I like using professional when giving prompts, so they will understand what I mean. So at this point, if you look below, you will see this yellow icon. So all you have to do, all I'll do at this point is for me to click on it. So now that I've clicked on it, I am simply telling it to go ahead and generate for me. So if you check here, it is telling me the model of what I want already. Well, it is counting down below here. So the good thing about this AI is that it does not take time. So at this point, it is done generating. So I'll just click on this arrow here to download it. So at this point, I'll click on this I've clicked on the icon. Can you see this? This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. So this is it. I even forgot to tell you to change the color of my shoe. I should have used black. I should have used black because black would have been much better, but it's still fine. So okay, let's do one more before we call it a day. So I'll go back to my notes at this point. I wrote down all my prompts so I won't waste your time. So I'll go back to my notes. I'll copy this particular prompt. At this point, I'll come back here. Oh my goodness, that was a mistake. I'll come back here to Google. Okay, I'll click on the app. So now that I've clicked on their website I meant to say. So now that I've clicked on their website, it has brought me here. I'll just click on the plus sign, click on upload image. I'm gonna upload this particular one and click on done. So start typing prompts. I won't just type, like I'll just paste mine. So here I said I wanted to change my outfit to a yellow jacket and me putting on a black shiny inner. The background shouldn't be plain. It should scream luxury but a bit blurry. So I'll go ahead and click on this arrow telling it to generate for me, and it has started counting down already. So at this point, trust me. Okay, look at my tokens. Did you notice something? My tokens has been deducted. It has been deducted. So the more you create content, the more you create images, the more you tell it to do something for you, the more your token will be deducted. So at this point, I don't know if you've noticed, this thing, the model was also brought out. So at this point, this is the image here. This is the image. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on this icon here. I don't know if you can see it, the download icon. So I've clicked on the download icon and it is done. It is done. So let's click on open. So at this point, I've clicked on open and here is the image. It is screaming beauty. It is screaming luxury. Guys, I don't know if you like this. I don't know if you like what you're seeing. Like, if you don't have money to go for a photo shoot for your birthday, I think this is a great option. You can always use this option, and trust me, if you do, you won't regret it. Just tell me what you think about this particular AI. Tell me in the comments if you'll be using it. Tell me if you like it. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.